Hi Eagles, today we're going to be practicing our long I sound, and you know that we've already learned a couple of ways to make the long I sound. We know that the vowel, short vowel I can say I. We know that I by itself says its name, I. And we also know that that long I sound can be in a word as well. So we typically spell that long I in a red word like the word find. So we also have another way that we are going to practice making the long I sound today, and that's with IGH. So IGH also makes the long I sound. Long I says I. IGH says I. What does IGH say? I. Good. Okay, and we also have another way we're going to practice today. We are going to be practicing with Y. Remember, we've learned that Y is sometimes a vowel. It can also say the long I sound. It's going to pretend like it's an I in some of our words that we're going to be practicing, not today, but tomorrow. So today we're going to be using our blending board to make some words, and I want to see if you guys notice a pattern with the words that we're going to be making. So there's no special rule for our IGH and our Y long I sounds. Okay, we have to really memorize that visual pattern that we see in these words, and we have to get familiar with those based off of the experience. Okay, bless you. All right, based off of our experience with these words. So we're going to blend some words. I'm going to tap the words, and you guys are going to be blending them together. Okay, so again, remember, thumbs are up when we sound out. So in this card should be yellow. I didn't have my yellow IGH card because it's a vowel sound. So we're going to just go ahead and do it with this one that I made today. S, I, sigh. Okay, so I should hear you guys saying those sounds as I tap. Of course, I can't hear you, but you're going to be doing it on the video at home all by yourself. Okay, so let's do a couple more. I, hi. I'm going to go a little faster for you guys. Nigh. My. Rye. Fi. So you notice some of these words are real words and some of these words are silly words. Sly. Okay, so now that we've practiced some with the IGH on the end, okay, we're going to add the most common IGH ending on these, which whenever you hear a T at the end of these long I words, most of the time it will be spelled with an IGH. There's still not a special rule for it, so you're still going to have to look at these and memorize them. So we're going to practice some of these. We also have some blends that we're going to be practicing with. So SL says SL, slight. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and we're going to do some word practice. I'm going to flash the cards. You're going to be sounding them out. Blight. Is that a real word or a silly word? That's a silly word. Flight. Is that a real word or a silly word? That's a real word. Can you put it in a sentence? The plane can take flight. Plight. Prite. Trite. Drite. Fright. Can you put fright in a sentence? Is that a real word or a silly word? The clown gave me a fright. Bright. Can you put bright in a sentence? Is it a real word or a silly word? The light is bright. Does bright light rhyme? Yes, it does. Kite. Okay, so that's our IGH practice for today. Tomorrow we're going to add in our Y as long I, and we'll do some more word practice tomorrow. Great job.